Use this salt regularly if you care about your health. This is the only salt in the world that's actually healthy for the kidneys. Catherine from WO Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. While many types of salt damage the kidneys, there is one type of salt that actually helps them. Yes, you don't have to keep eating insipid meals every day if you use this. This special salt does not cause your blood pressure to spike, and it actually has health benefits for the kidneys as it's full of antioxidants and healthy natural compounds. Okay guys, I get it. You don't believe this is actually healthy. You have already heard too many lies about the alleged health benefits of this or that new type of salt to believe me. I mean, every time I go grocery shopping, I find a new type of salt with new, incredible health benefits. There is black salt to improve memory and concentration. There is smoked salt, which is more natural. There is sea salt that keeps the body hydrated. And there's also flake salt, smoked salt. It looks like every day they came up with a new type of salt. And every single one of them is supposed to have health benefits. Himalayan salt in particular is what many people consider the healthiest salt there is. There are even ads out there promoting Himalayan salt as a better alternative for people on a low sodium diet.
You always choose the best in life. This is why Sean brings for you the world's finest salt. Sean Virgin Pink Himalayan Salt, naturally fortified.
But is Himalayan salt actually healthy for the kidneys? It's very important to take all these marketing claims about specialty salts with a grain of salt. I want to say this as clearly as possible. All salt is salt. Research has never demonstrated that Himalayan salt or other types of salt have any unique health benefit compared to any other dietary salt. The mineral impurities that give Himalayan salt a pink color, often promoted as healthful, are far too low in concentration to be nutritionally beneficial. And this is true for all these healthier types of salt. They are all equally bad for your kidneys. Now guys, I actually have a special type of salt with actual, real kidney health benefits I want to show you. Don't miss it. Before that, there's an important question that needs an answer. Should you completely avoid salt in the diet? You might think this should mean you need to cut out salt completely, but salt is actually an essential nutrient for the human body. While you actually need way less sodium than most people actually consume, the reason why you should completely avoid table salt is a mineral called iodine. People following a low sodium diet are especially at risk for deficiency in this essential mineral. Iodized table salt is the main source of iodine for most people, and if you don't get enough iodine in your diet, your thyroid is at risk. The thyroid basically runs on iodine. Never underestimate the importance of your thyroid. If it doesn't work well, symptoms may seriously affect your kidneys and many other parts of your body. So the bottom line here is, don't avoid table salt. Use iodized table salt in great moderation. Completely avoid salt packaged junk foods and processed foods in general, though, as many food items may have in a single portion twice the sodium you need in a day. Now guys, time to see the best salt alternative in the world for the health of your kidneys. This is a very tasty salt alternative. I've been using it in my recipes for a while now. I really love this. It changed my way of cooking. It does not contain any sodium nor potassium. It's just made from spices. This one I have is great on grilled veggies. It really makes you forget about salt if you use this to spice up grilled bell peppers or zucchini, for example. This one is made from garlic, black pepper, thyme, hot pepper, coriander, basil, and more. Now, the very interesting part, while the health benefits of Himalayan salt, sea salt, or smoked salt are all made up, spices have real, tangible kidney health benefits. Black pepper, for example, is full of antioxidants. Hot pepper can work as a natural painkiller. Thyme can boost your immunity. Garlic can significantly lower your blood pressure. You don't even need to use this to replace salt to get health benefits. You just need to add to your cooking a seasoning made from spices. By the way, this should be very easy to find in the spice section of your supermarket or online. And obviously, you can make your own. Do you want to know what the healthiest spices for your kidneys are? This video up here may interest you. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.